Hi, welcome to the OSnap How It Works video. In this video, we'll cover how to use OSnap as well as some tips and some tricks that we know you'll find useful. Towards the end, we'll address troubleshooting and techniques for SnapCharge as well. We'll start with how to use the grip function itself. This one is pretty self-explanatory. Just slide your finger under the cap and push through. You can use multiple fingers if that's more comfortable for you as well. To rotate your phone while using the grip, just apply pressure to the round part of the grip and turn your phone. If you take your fingers out, you can use the cap to turn the grip as well. To use the kickstand, pull the cap out and insert it into the edge into either side of the grip. You can do this really quickly once you get used to the motion. You can also use a single finger to flip up the kickstand. Once the stand is activated, you can make use of the different angles by rotating the grip. There's 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and portrait mode. OSnap's magnets are incredibly useful and are super easy to use. Just slap your phone on something made of steel and it'll stick like magic. OSnap's magnets are located all around the ring except at the very ends. So if you need to stick it to a thinner piece of metal, you can rotate the grip to ensure more magnets make contact and hold your phone better. You can stick your phone to your fridges or your microwaves, gym equipment, car mounts, and more. If you'd like to stick your phone somewhere non-magnetic, say like a wall or your shower, for example, we sell magnetic plates with reusable adhesive called snap mounts. In this section, we'll discuss how to use our awesome magnetic wireless charger, SnapCharge. If SnapCharge is sitting loosely on a table, make sure your grip and the notches of SnapCharge are set at a similar angle. Then, hold your phone slightly above SnapCharge and let it pull and align itself to your phone before setting it down. This can sometimes take a little bit of practice, but I know you'll get the hang of it. If SnapCharge is mounted to SnapStand or SnapCar, just make sure the notches are aligned and let the magnets pull your phone to it. If you're having issues with SnapCharge, it's likely one or a combination of these 4 problems. The first potential problem is wireless charging compatibility. It sounds so silly, but make sure your phone is actually capable of wireless charging by simply Googling, does insert your phone work with wireless charging? iPhone 8 and newer, other than the SE model, work with wireless charging along with most premium Android phones. The second could be an issue with your power brick or your connections. Make sure you're using a 15-watt power brick for SnapCharge. Ensure all connections are solid and that your phone is turned on. The next common issue is an off-centered grip. A centered grip is necessary for wireless charging with SnapCharge. Please watch the tutorial video to learn how to center the grip on your phone. The last potential problem is a case that is too thick. If your case is thicker than 3 millimeters, at best, it'll take significantly longer to charge, and at worst, it won't charge at all. Now, if you've tested these 4 things and are still having issues, shoot us an email at support@osnap.com and we'll be happy to troubleshoot with you further. Thanks so much for watching.